Your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So here you can see it. Sorry, there was a problem with your request, so how you can also fix it on your Instagram. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram and just open it again, and if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, so just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to open mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.